Is the air in your home safe? The EPA says it can be 5 times more polluted than outside air. Here are 3 invisible dangers and how to fight them. First, toxic chemicals called VOCs are released from paint, cleaners, and furniture, causing health issues. The fix? Ventilate daily by opening windows and choose low VOC products when possible. Next is mold. It grows in damp areas, releasing spores that trigger allergies. The golden rule is moisture control. Fix any leaks right away and always use your kitchen and bathroom exhaust fans. Finally, let's talk about radon. It's an invisible, radioactive gas that comes from the ground, and honestly, it's a leading cause of lung cancer. Since you can't see or smell it, you really have to test for it. Just use a simple home kit, and if the levels turn out to be high, professionals can install a simple venting system to fix the problem. So, to protect your family, just open your windows to fight chemicals, control moisture to stop mold, and test your home for radon. These simple steps really do make your home safer. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.